WOW Multiple Group of Companies is pleased to introduce WOW Electronic Transportation Services for you. Install the WOW apps available with more new and advanced features and enjoy the amazing benefits for your commutation around the town. Install your app and sign up with WOW. First, enter your phone number, and we will send you a verification code at the given number. Verify the code and move to the further procedure. Give your personal information to represent your identity. Better to provide an email address for increased security and relevant notifications. The last thing is to set up a strong password to secure your account. Oh no, I missed this amazing offer. Don't worry, WOW will never let you miss any offer or discount. Just allow WOW app to send you notifications and get the opportunity to avail of every offer right at the moment. Don't know how to book a ride? Don't worry, we are here to guide you. Firstly, enter your pickup location or allow us to access your live location. Confirm your pickup and choose ride preferences. We have a variety of cars to be chosen from. Choose any of the suitable vehicles and don't forget to select the payment method. Then, add your drop-off location. All done. Now, let's go, and a nearby leader will accept the ride and head towards you to pick you up for your trip. WOW benefits, even after your ride ends, by giving you WOW rewards. WOW rewards are the points that you will get on each ride you complete. Ride more and receive exclusive offers, promotions, and discounts using WOW rewards, or just redeem points against prizes, cash, mobile top-ups, etc.